Maria tum pinike inglong ahan. Kopi pe han ni than chima. Han che. Lake han ke do. Oh. Lake? Pranso. Pramso arvu. Okay. Plim plam. Plim plam di? Lake lopong. Oh. Han bepu. Oh han bipu. Wow.
Hi, good morning everyone. Today we are here in Langvoku and now we are going to see some shops which are here in Langvoku. So I'm going to explain some of the names which are locally available here in Karbi Ethnic, Langvoku. Okay. So I guess these are the vegetables.
So can you please tell the name of those
Yes.
vegetables?
So first of all, this is called pirui in Karbi language.
Okay.
This is pirui.
Yes.
We can eat it boiled.
Okay.
And yes, and also roast kind of roast.
Okay.
And this is called chili, local chili. And again, this is called hippie bonglong or hippie keho. And this is called brinjal.
Okay.
We can say eggplant.
Okay.
And these are all local. And
Okay.
this is also local pumpkin.
Okay.
As well as local okra.
Okay.
Yes, this is also the local one which we find here in Karbi Ethnic.
Okay. Yes, sure.
Yes, this is really, distinct in color also. This is pink, kind of
Okay.
purple, pink. Yes, and this is the one with green color.
Wait, just hold for a while.
Yes,
Yes.
and we have something more interesting out here.
Okay.
See, the local insect. It is called sangman tijok.
Okay, this is bugs.
Yes,
You mean?
this is bugs.
This one bugs.
So I don't know
think this
the
all
taste
are roasted,
actually,
I guess.
but how is the taste? I haven't tried.
Okay. Okay, this is called sangman program.
tijok.
Tijo.
Oh.
Okay,
And
fine.
this is the local fish, I guess, which has
Okay.
been dried out and brought here
Okay.
for selling
And that is
purpose.
called chakma brick.
Okay.
Yeah.
So shall we proceed to the next vendor, please?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
And we have some local papaya and also banana flower and as well as hanja.
Spinach.
Yes, spinach flower. No, mustard flower. Actually, mustard flower,
Okay.
which we used to consume. Yes,
Oh.
mustard leaf and flower here, and which we used to consume. We used to boil.
Okay.
Yes.
It goes along with pork.
Yes, with pork we actually have it in Karbi.
Okay.
And it is very, very tasty.
Okay. Guys, now we are going to show you how the traditional langpong is made. So this is langpong. And this is a traditional way of preparing the tea, warm water. So this we call as sakimung or lang kimung.